Hello friends. Today our topic is defect or bug life cycle. Bug life cycle in a software testing is a stepwise process that a bug goes through during its lifetime. Bug life cycle involves initiation of the bug till it is fixed and retested. It is a crucial and very important part of a software testing and development process. Each and every test engineer spends most of their time in this phase as their day-to-day activities. So it includes there are several tags which is used to indicate the stages, and these tags are new, assigned, open, fixed, retest, closed, reopen. Then there are something called duplicate, deferred, not a bug, rejected. Now let us see when we use that particular tags. So new. This tag is used when a bug is introduced by a QA or any other resources. Then the second one is assigned. This tag is used when the bug is approved by a QA manager or a lead and is assigned to a dev team. The third tag is open. So this tag is used when the dev team start analyzing the required work on that bug fix. The fourth tag is fixed. So this tag is used when the developer resolve the issue and assign it to the QA team for the testing. Now the next tag is retest. So this tag is used when the QA engineer retest the fixed bug in order to validate whether the functionality is working fine or not. The next tag is closed. So this tag is used when the retesting is completed by the QA engineer and the functionality is working fine in which the bug was introduced initially. Next tag is reopen. So this tag is used when the retesting is completed by the QA engineer and they found that the bug is not yet fixed. So in that particular case, this particular tag is used. The next tag is duplicate. So this tag is used when the same bug is already raised by any other QA engineer or any other resources from the team. Next tag is deferred. This tag is used when the bug is not so important to be fixed in the current sprint and is expected to get it fixed in the upcoming sprint. So generally deferred is used at that particular time. Next tag is not a bug. So this tag is used when the bug is not impacted the overall functionality and can be ignored. Next tag is rejected. This tag is used when the developer feels the bug is not genuine, so they mark it as rejected. So generally the bug is first introduced, then assigned to a particular dev team. Then dev team do some analysis on it, what it needs to be done to get that particular bug resolved, whether it is bug or not, whether it is already raised or not. So after doing analysis, they perform some work on it, and then the bug is moved to this fixed section. Then the QA engineer picked that particular bug and retest on it. Then if it is fixed, they generally moved it to a closed section, and other if it is not fixed as per the expectation, they generally put it the status like a reopen and again open the bug, and the same process will repeat till the bug is fixed. So this is known as bug life cycle.